When people think about scientists, they think of someone in kind of a lab coat, and it's a very rigid experience with lots and lots of controls.
One of my mentors when I came to UCCS taught me something that was really important, and that is that the goal of university research is not to solve the world's problems. The goal of university research is to train students to solve the world's problems. And that way we can multiply our effectiveness.
All right, today, Lexi, we're going to go up to 14,000 feet in the environmental chamber. It's set to a normal temperature and a normal humidity. So are you ready to go in?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. My name's Andrew Subudhi. I'm a professor of Human Physiology and Nutrition.
My name is Dr. Deanna Selmeczy, and I'm a cognitive developmental psychologist here at the UCCS Psychology Department.
My name is Gregory Plett. I'm a professor of electrical and computer engineering here at UCCS. I think that the part that is most rewarding is making a difference in the students' lives and to see them progress over their period of time here and then go off and work in companies or in universities and just blossom.
All of our work involves students, undergraduate students, graduate students, postdoctoral students. It is all about student experiences and making sure that we're fostering the next generation of scientists.
In my research, I focus on what's called metacognition, which is thinking about our own thinking, or thinking or self-reflecting about our memory processes. And so in my research, I'm particularly interested in understanding sort of when this metacognitive ability emerges, how it changes and develops throughout childhood and adolescence, and what kind of consequences it has for decision-making.
The main focus of the work that I do at UCCS is trying to improve the lives of people who work, travel, and compete at high altitude. I really enjoy coming to work every day because I feel like the work that I'm doing actually has an impact on not just individuals, but society as a whole.
In our research team, we're addressing problems that I think are of huge significance to humanity right now. Something as simple as making your mobile phone battery last longer, or something as significant as enabling the transition to electrified transportation that will allow us to use renewable energies and to make a more robust power grid and to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels.
Creativity and innovation are at the heart of research. That's what we try to do on a daily basis, is push the forefront of knowledge by discovering things that have never been discovered before.
UCCS encourages excitement for students who want to do research by allowing them to be part of the entire research process and being able to be directly mentored by faculty. So in contrast to other institutes where you may not be able to directly work with faculty, especially as an undergraduate student, I have personal and direct relationships with all of the students that I work with, and I'm able to mentor and help them throughout the entire research process.
You need to have permission to fail in order to be creative, and you need to know that. And many of our students, when they join the program, don't believe they have that permission to fail, but they see over the course of a period of time that, okay, I failed and it wasn't the end of the world. I'm going to try something even more brave, even more risky, and then ultimately they do succeed. And that, I think, is the path of creativity.